The concrete girder on a parking garage span 30 feet and are 15 feet on the center. If the floor slab is 5-inch thick and made up of reinforced stone concrete, and the specified live load is 50 pounds per square foot, determine the distributed load the floor system transmit to each interior girder. All right, to solve this problem, first of all, let's calculate our design floor loading. For that, first of all, we need to calculate our dead load. And we know from our minimum densities for design load that our reinforced stone concrete is 150 pounds per cubic foot. And we know that our concrete will be 5 inches thick. And this comes up to 62.5 pounds per square foot. And then our live load, we already know that it's 50 pounds per square foot. So our total load for this structure would be 62.5 pounds per square foot plus our 50 pounds per square foot for live load equals to 112.5 pounds per square foot. And now our second step is to find out if it is a one-way system or a two-way slab system. Okay, so first of all, we need to know if our length of the girder is greater than span or not. And we know that our girder is 15 and our span is 30. So therefore, it is a two-way system, two-way slab system. There would be a trapezoidal distributed loading on these interior girders. So to solve this, we will need to get the maximum intensity for each of these distributed loading. So we know that our total load, our uniform load is 112.5 pounds per square foot, which we have just calculated. And we know that our span for this distributed loading is 7.5 foot. And solving this comes up to 483.75 pounds per foot. And now that we have this value, we can find the intensity on the girder. And that would be simply multiplying our value with 2, and it comes up to 16.87.5 pounds per foot. So our load on idealized beam would become something like this. This would be 7.5, this would be 7.5. Where we have a trapezoidal shape. Like and subscribe for more.